rest in the billiards room. Look at this chair, how it sits up high so you can watch the game. One's billiards and one's pool. See how you keep score over here? Hanging right there, the beads?
Yeah.
Stretches all the way across the room to the other side. We'll see you tomorrow. We'll be back tomorrow to see the rest. Oh, wow. This must be the guns. Yep, they're the guns. Right there. Got a couple elephant guns there. Wow, all those trophies in there. Pheasant, duck. Well, have a cigar. Talk about your daily kill. Got the old modern invention called louvered. What kind of blinds were those used to be called?
Louvered.
Louvered blinds. Is that what it was? So masculine, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Copper in the insides of those squares. Just a. Oh. Tom, two-man Taylor used to say, oh. Conclusion. That was my video Nazi right there, and that is it for today. More to follow tomorrow.